messy space, messy mind. I don't know about you, but when my shop is a disaster, my motivation just disappears. Like poof, it's gone. And right now, my shop's half finished, tools without homes, dust collect not even set up. Honestly, it stressed me out. But today, I will start to push myself a bit more to clean this space the best way possible before the winter comes. Building Scrapwood projects for my home, to sell online, or even to give away to friends and family. Let's start with my first project, which I sold soon after I finished. So today I'm building 2 nightstands. First thing, I cut all my pieces to size. I kept the good size face in because the outside's getting painted anyway. Quick assembly, screws in, then I heat all the edges and screw holes with mud. Once the mud was dry, I sanded everything smooth. Outside it gets leftover paint. Inside get my favorite finish to make the walnut pop.